Are you ready to take control of your time and your income? Digital marketing could be your solution, and I'm here to help you get started. Hey, this is Colin. I help parents who are struggling financially start and grow an online business using digital marketing. If you're tired of working long hours, missing time with your family, and feeling stuck in a financial rut, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to break down the basics of digital marketing so you can start building the foundations of a better future. Remember, if you find this video helpful, if you find value in this content, make sure that you smash that like button, drop me a comment, and subscribe for later videos and tips on growing your income online. So let's start by understanding what is digital marketing, what's it all about, and how's digital marketing really going to help you? Well, to keep it quite simple, digital marketing is just simply marketing through online digital channels, marketing products and services on the internet. Now, this can involve using social media, email marketing, blogging, or even running ads. You can think of it as modern marketing that is just tailored to the online world, right? The great thing about it is you don't need to be a tech genius or have a degree or anything like that in order to actually get started with digital marketing. So here's a step-by-step roadmap that'll help you get started in a digital marketing journey. Step number one is you're going to want to define your niche. This is simply just deciding who it is your target market is, who it is that you want to reach, who it is that you want to help. Now, the best way to figure this out is to ask, what are you excited about? What are you really interested in? What are you really knowledgeable about? The best thing it is, if you are knowledgeable about a subject, about a specific niche, and you are really excited and you really enjoy talking about it, well, that's probably the best one. But if you're not too knowledgeable about a certain niche, about a certain target market, a certain subject, certain topic, if you're at least even really excited and interested about it and you are willing to learn more and more about it, well, that there is a good niche to pick. Because if you're interested and excited about it, you're going to want to keep on talking about it, and that's going to help you create content. Because if you just pick a niche that, potentially is really profitable, but you really have no interest, you're not excited about it, you're not really interested enough to really keep on learning about it, it's going to be hard to go to work. It's going to be hard to keep on creating content for that niche, for that topic. You know what I'm saying? So what you want to do, first of all, is just get a piece of paper, get a pen, just start writing stuff down. What are you knowledgeable about? What are you excited about? What are you interested in? And you can start with the top 3 main, most profitable niches that are out there, and that is health, wealth, and relationships. And then start breaking them down, start niching down within those. So pick one, such as wealth. Break it down within that wealth, right? Well, what about wealth? What is it? Income? Is it cash flow? Is it investments? Where are you going to go within that? Start picking a niche that you are somewhat knowledgeable about, really interested in, and just start breaking it down. Start brainstorming on a piece of paper what it is that you want to be doing. And then step number 2, you're going to want to start learning some skills. Now you got to start learning and applying yourself with this. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, digital marketing does take skills. It does take some time to learn. Now, you don't need to come into this game knowing everything and being an expert. Like I said, you can get started and you can start learning as you go, and you can in fact start earning while you're learning this digital marketing. The more you learn, the more you're going to start to earn as well. So start learning and just start immersing yourself, digging in and taking in as much knowledge as you can about digital marketing. You're going to want to start learning about social media. You're going to want to start learning about, for example, TikTok and Instagram and YouTube and blogging, and just start learning, but start picking one thing at a time when it comes to studying digital marketing. Study content creation. The important thing is just to get started and just to start learning and developing these skills, because the more you learn, the more skills that you have, the more opportunities will be opening up for you. All right? And then step number 3, now that you're learning, now that you're getting out there, now that you're doing things, you're going to want to start building your online presence. And this goes with starting with the social media platforms. Like I said, you want to pick one that you want to start learning with. So you want to start by picking one social media platform, such as TikTok, maybe it's YouTube, maybe it's Instagram. Take your pick, right? Just pick one of the platforms, set up on these platforms, set up your bio, set up your profile, Start getting used to it and start studying and learning that platform and start building your presence on that social media platform. Start building a following on that platform. This is very important because building your online presence on a social media platform, it's like building your storefront. This is where people are going to come to get to know you, get to know who you are, what you're all about, and it's going to, showcase everything else that you're doing online with digital marketing. So what you want to do is just go ahead, just taking action with that. And remember, like I said, pick one, and when you do pick this one, stick with just one until you master it. Don't go all over the place. Stay focused on just the one platform until you've mastered it, and then you can move on. Cool? And now step number 4, while you're building your following on the social media platform, you are also going to want to start to build your email list. You're going to start doing things like using a lead magnet, a freebie, use an email autoresponder system and a lead capture page that you can capture people's information, their email address, their name and their email address, in exchange for giving them a freebie, giving them a lead magnet, a helpful resource, whether it be a checklist, an ebook, a guide, whatever it is, something that is of value to your target market, to your niche, so that they will give you their email address, and you can start building a contact list, a following on an email list, as well as your following on the social media platform. Very, very important. Start building the email list right from the start. Don't wait. Start building that list while you are building your following on the social media platform. Make sense? Cool. And step number 5, be consistent and keep on learning. Building a digital marketing business is going to take some time. It's going to take time, energy, and effort to build a successful digital marketing business. But the good thing is, as long as you keep consistent and you put in the time and you have patience, you keep developing and building your skills, building your following, then you will see results eventually. It's not going to happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight, not unless it's a fluke or something like that, but it's going to take some time, energy, and effort, and you will see the results. So keep on putting in the effort, building your skills, becoming more knowledgeable, and becoming better at your craft, and you will eventually see those results. So this is what you can do. You could start using and setting up a calendar. Set up a schedule for creating and sharing your content on social media. Whether it's 1 post a day, 1 post a week, 3 posts a week, whatever it is, just commit to it and be consistent and keep at it. Continue to do those action steps, putting out content, building your following, and continuously building and growing your skills at the same time. So there you have it, step-by-step, quick, very simple beginner's guide to getting started and growing your digital marketing business. Remember, the key is to take one step at a time. Define your niche, learn and develop your skills, build your presence, and build your email list, and stay consistent. Now, if you want to keep on learning more tips and strategies for building a digital marketing business and growing your income online, make sure that you smash that like button, drop me a comment down below and let me know. And if you're not yet subscribed, well, you know what to do. Click subscribe. We'll see you in the next videos.